Craving crispy, golden French fries without the guilt-drenched aftermath of deep frying? You're not alone. But fear not, fellow food lovers. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the Ninja AF101 Air Fryer, a compact kitchen hero promising to revolutionize your relationship with fried food. Can it truly deliver crispy perfection with a fraction of the fat? As a veteran of the culinary battlefield and a vacuum cleaner expert, believe it or not, I put the AF101 to the test to see if it lives up to the hype. Let's see if this air fryer truly allows you to pull deliciousness out of thin air. Faster cooking, crispier results. The Ninja AF101 boasts a smart processor that delivers a wide temperature range and automatically adjusts fan speeds. This intelligent system ensures even hot air circulation, leading to faster cooking times and consistently crispy results. Key features and performance. Reduced fat cooking. This air fryer allows you to enjoy guilt-free indulgence. According to Ninja, it uses up to 75% less fat compared to traditional deep frying methods tested with hand-cut, deep-fried French fries. Versatile functionality. The AF101 offers 4 cooking programs: air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate. This allows you to prepare a variety of dishes, from crispy fries and chicken wings to roasted vegetables and dehydrated snacks. Family-sized capacity. The 4-quart ceramic-coated basket and crisper plate can accommodate up to 2 pounds of French fries, making it suitable for families or those who love to cook in batches. Easy cleaning. This air fryer is designed with convenience in mind. The basket, crisper plate, and other components are dishwasher-safe, making post-meal cleaning a breeze. Is the Ninja AF101 right for you? This air fryer is a great choice for health-conscious individuals. Enjoy your favorite fried foods with significantly less fat. Busy families, the quick cooking times and versatility make it ideal for creating delicious meals without spending hours in the kitchen. Those seeking a compact appliance, the AF101 size makes it perfect for smaller kitchens or those with limited counter space. Here's a quick breakdown of the pros and cons to help you decide. Pros. Faster cooking times with crispy results. Reduced fat cooking compared to deep frying. Versatile with air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate functions. Family-sized capacity. Easy to clean with dishwasher-safe parts. Cons. Limited cooking capacity compared to larger air fryers. Fewer pre-programmed settings compared to some models. Overall, the Ninja AF101 Air Fryer is a solid choice for those seeking a compact and user-friendly appliance to create healthier versions of their favorite fried foods. While it might not have all the bells and whistles of some high-end air fryers, its efficient cooking performance, versatility, and ease of use make it a compelling option for busy home cooks. Expert rating: 4.8 out of 5 stars. Additional notes: it's important to consider your needs and preferences when choosing an air fryer. If you have a large family or cook for many people, a bigger air fryer might be a better option. However, for those seeking a budget-friendly and user-friendly air fryer for everyday use, the Ninja AF101 is worth considering. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.